It's weird, really. You'd think that after flying F-18 Hornets as a fighter pilot, or as the lead solo pilot for the Snowbirds, that this little machine would be a piece of cake. Not all that interesting. That's where you'd be wrong. That's where I was definitely wrong. It has twice as many ailerons and twice as many wings as I was used to. It's designed to withstand backwards flight. It weighs less than my car, and yet this thing is a beast. It's my favorite flying machine. It's demanding, nimble, tricky, yet maneuverable. It does exactly as it's told, whether I tell it correctly or not. And now, it's time to suit up. Let's strap in. It's time for you to meet my Pitts special. You're sitting up front. You see, it's not about being a pilot. Sure, if someone asked, I'd say I have the best job in the world. Yet no matter who you are or what you do, I bet you still look up at the sound of a propeller cutting through the air, the sound of 9 jet engines roaring overhead, or a helicopter's beating blades as it defies gravity. It's not about being at the controls of an airplane, it's about something else. A dream, an adventure, a challenge. A question to yourself, could I do that? Could I step out and just try to do that one thing I'm most passionate about, whatever it may be? Could I risk failure in order to live the life of my dreams? It's still magic to me, the moment of liftoff. To slip the bonds of Earth. But it's not easy. There will always be challenges. Tests of your ability to overcome forces against you. So how do we tackle these challenges? We study, train, learn from our mistakes. We will make mistakes, but when we start to see these mistakes as opportunities to grow, that's when you'll really take off. And at the end of the day, whether you're trying to master a single maneuver or performing an air show in front of thousands of fans, or deciding to pursue a new job or follow a new adventure, you'll face struggles. It won't be easy, and it's not supposed to be. Accepting the challenges and overcoming the struggles is what it's all about. This is the win. This is the value in chasing our dreams.